Straight check yun. Sabi nila traffic eh. Pagupit tayo guys. Gagawin natin guys. Meron tayong pupuntahan mamaya. Sarap niya na. Sabi ko order mo ba kanin lang? May burger ka. Guys, tapos namin kumain. Saan tayo punta, love?
Sundo.
Susunduin lang natin sila tita at
Sementeryo maaga.
Sigma. Huling Sigma ko na to eh. Huling Sigma guys. Guys, natin natin yung isa. Dito tayo ngayon sa Hype District guys. Dito pala. Ayan guys, magpapa na tayo ngayon guys. Magpapamullet perm. Ano pa kasi, sarado pa. 8:30 pa lang. So, tatambay tayo ngayon dito ng 1 hour. Kasi mga 9 something pa sila mag-open based dun sa reservation. Tapos, mag-ML muna ako siguro kasi naantok ako guys. Ngayon guys.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can go tonight is 'cause I know you are in fight. The only reason that these dresses can die is 'cause I thought that you were lying. Come on, you know, so you see what I'm saying. Because I
Hindi ako nakapag-update. Ito na pala guys. Ang ating new hair. Ayan. Guys.